Just because we're meeting virtually doesn't mean we can't connect just as we would in person. There are multiple opportunities to network with exhibitors and attendees throughout VBACE by using the chat feature. The chat bar can be found in the lower right-hand corner. Here, you can see your recent chats, other contacts attending VBACE, and open group chats. First, let's quickly review the different preference settings in the chat menu. If you click on the three dots at the top of the chat bar, this is where you can set your personal status. Select Available to let attendees know you're able to chat. If you need to step away for a moment, you can change your status to Away or Busy. We recommend keeping the default alert notification settings, which may be helpful if you are multitasking, as they will alert you to incoming messages while on the VBACE platform. Also, this is how you'll receive important event announcements from NBAA. All announcements can be found by clicking the bell icon. Now, let's move on to chats. You can find other attendees in the platform by using the Contacts tab. Here, you can scroll through the full list of attendees, or if you already know who you're looking for, you can type their name directly into the search bar. To start a one-on-one conversation, click on the person's name. You can send them messages, images, attachments, and links. Using the down arrow next to each message, you're able to delete a message, forward the message to another attendee, or reply in reference to a particular message. The chat feature also allows attendees to facilitate audio and video calls. To call another attendee, simply click either the phone or video icon. Before doing so, be sure to allow access to your microphone and camera. Also, always ask permission to call or video chat before initiating. Another way to connect with your peers is by either creating or joining a group chat. To create a group chat, click the pencil and pad icon in the chat bar and click New Group. Enter a unique name so others can easily find it. Now you have the choice to make this chat public, password protected, or private. Public chats are visible to all attendees and any user can join one. Password protected chats are visible to all attendees but require a password upon entry. Private chats are only visible to attendees who have been invited to the group. Once you've selected which type of group you're creating, simply click the Create button and your new group chat window will appear. The group chat functions work exactly like one-on-one chats. To send a direct message to someone in the group, you can click the icon next to their most recent message. This will open a direct chat in a new window. Additionally, by clicking the chat name, you're able to view all members of the group, add new members by name, or leave the group if you no longer wish to be a part of it. To search for a group that you'd like to join, click the Groups tab. Search for the group by name. If you haven't yet joined that group chat, be sure to change your search from Join Groups to Other Groups using the drop-down menu. Use the Recent tab to find your most current one-to-one chats and group chats. You can easily get in contact with exhibitors through the chat feature as well. VBACE features over 165 exhibiting companies, all of which have representatives that are waiting and eager to connect with you and answer your questions. When you're in an exhibit booth, use the hamburger menu in the upper left-hand corner and click Chat. This will open the booth's chat in a new window. Ask the exhibitor representatives questions or say hi to anyone that may be in the booth at the same time.